I am here with my, you hear that right, Nate? My brand new monster truck. I am so excited about this because if you follow us, you saw a couple weeks ago, Nate got a brand new Redcat. Go check that video out.
The Wendigo.
Now I have my brand new Redcat. I'm so excited because it's so much better.
Who got the better truck?
This is the Redcat Kaiju. It's a 1/8 scale. This thing is massive. Monster truck.
Yes,
it is 6S ready, but it can do 4S. So you can run on one 4S battery or two 2S batteries, or if you want to run it on 6S power, you can do two 3S batteries or one 6S battery. So today, what are we doing, Nate? Are we doing a 4S test and a 6S test?
4S
right?
speed test and then a 6S speed test.
We're gonna get some speed. Okay, this has a 2100 kV brushless motor in it with a 150 amp. That is 150 amp ESC.
It's amazing.
I think this is gonna go pretty fast. And this is why it's mine, right?
Really far. You notice where we are? This is where we do.
Mania location.
That's right.
I didn't even realize. Oh my gosh. We might have to do a Wheelie Mania. It's been a long time. Who has been around long enough to know what Wheelie Mania is? Leave a comment down below to tell me if you know what Wheelie Mania is and if you've been around that long, because you get a high five for it. All right, let's see how fast this Redcat Kaiju can go. I have my one 4S battery in here, so the other side, it's a Dean's plug, has the jumper. So we can run one battery. If you're gonna run two 2S's, you would take that out and then stack the batteries right here.
That's right.
Here's our awesome motor and ESC.
Oh, it's
we got a switch.
Can of soup. Oh man.
I am just ready to go. You guys know me. I don't like to talk. I just want to go. So
it's got
Nate,
lights.
you can talk for me. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about the lights. See,
Headlights.
that's why I keep you around, Nate. You talk.
It's on here.
You talk. You
it's
know
on
words.
here. One of the better looking monster trucks we own. It's kind of like a throwback. I like how this sounds. Listen to it.
Oh no, Nate.
What?
I forgot to put a tear net on.
Yeah, okay, it comes with a dirt net, dust cover.
Hair net.
No. You can keep all the dust out, but there is none here today, so we're not going to put that on.
All right, we got our Sky GPS meter on here.
Oh, I like those tail lights. Yeah.
We'll go around the cone for good measure. That's good luck, right?
I have no idea. I'm ready to see this thing blast. This is 4S. Woo!
Running out of room.
Yeah. Wow. You hit top speed for sure, but hit it one more time. Wow.
That wheelied halfway through.
Oh, that's good.
Throttle for like a couple seconds before it decided to wheelie. I got to get every inch of space here that I have.
We're used to having a little bit.
Just to make sure I can hit max speed.
Okay.
And I'm easing into it.
Yeah.
To try to avoid that.
Wow. Oh. Oh, you saved it. You saved it.
I didn't want it to go flying down the hill.
All right, one more blast on the 4S battery. Oh my gosh, what a... Now that's how you blow tires right there.
No, that's why I stopped.
Yeah, good call. When you pop it up on one wheel and you're riding a wheelie like that.
Since I wrecked Nate, does that mean the speed doesn't count? This is an ongoing argument with us. 40 miles per hour.
That's fast.
That's not too bad.
Hey, I want to point out too, these wheels, they look amazing. I don't know if you noticed this, Abby, where it says Redcat on the inside.
I love it.
I think it looks good.
I got some scuffy scuffs though.
Yes, you did.
It's a badge of honor is what it is.
That's right. Okay, so are we ready for 6S?
6S, let's do it.
You have 6S in this beast.
Two 3S's this time, so
that's
they're
right.
stacking.
Hang on, let me zoom in. I want people to see where this puppy is. See those buses?
We had to
right
change
there.
Angles for
The sun.
Runway.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're ready. You go right ahead.
I'm really gonna ease in because I don't want to break anything.
Wow!
There's
Whoa!
no way I can get full throttle on this. There's no way.
I want to see what it hit. Just
It was barely even full throttle for a
40.
second.
You're still at 40.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that thing has
I don't
power.
know. I feel like if you're good at speed, Nate, I almost want to hand this to you.
Okay, let's see if I can do it.
Okay, before I shred the top of this truck more.
I fly jets that go over 100 miles an hour, so yes.
You break it, you bought it.
I'll trade my Wendigo if I break it.
This is mine. This is mine.
Okay, I'm not even. Oh, you're on my toe. Okay. Okay, it can achieve top speed. We will get this. I just have to take it farther down. Let's see what we got. That was not top speed. That was not top speed. 40
it's
miles
still sitting at 40, so we haven't even beaten what I got on 3S or 4S.
Trim this puppy up a hair. We're talking crazy top speeds. This needs to go straight as an arrow. That's a little better. Okay, all right. I need every last foot here. We're going all the way down to that white bus on the far end.
What, are you really gonna like ease in real
yes.
slow?
Oh, absolutely. And then I need to hit the brakes as soon as I get to this line to our right. So
you tell us when you're full throttle.
I will. There's full.
Oh, look at the
I just eased off on the juice. This thing's tough.
Oh my gosh, the skid on that. Look at the top. Look at the top. It's still sitting at 40. We can't get it.
I can't get past 40.
We can't.
This thing is crazy. Well,
you're gonna bust a tire if you keep doing that.
I know that this is like the ultimate basher.
Do you think we need more weight in the front?
Definitely would help if you had some lead weight to put in the front. That'd be really good if you wanted to do an actual ultimate speed test. This thing is crazy. I'm gonna ease into it like really slow, you guys. That was full throttle, but you guys saw the front end come up, so I'm just going to, that's it.
Was that full throttle for a half second?
I hit it for a half second.
Yeah, that's not long enough for it to get top speed, though.
This thing's insane.
You did get 43.
Yeah?
Yeah, so.
Wow.
There's no way. I will. Wow. You guys have seen me break things like this. I know I will shred this. In fact, I saw another YouTuber that did what I would do if I kept trying.
This is a beast. It's the ultimate basher, and I got to give you huge kudos, Abby, for picking this one out, because this is, when you hit ramps with this, the air it's going to be awesome. You guys think it can dominate the hill? Or should we take it and bash somewhere else? It will ramp
the hill.
This is nuts. Look how the tires sit on this. The tread, the grip on these tires, the pattern just looks so awesome. They sound good even on asphalt, and I think even though this isn't really hitting those top speeds on 6S, the bashing capabilities you can do because of that power is amazing. Now bear in mind, most people will probably want to bash on 4S, I would say. 3S maybe, 4S probably.
I would say 4S.
6S is amazing that it can handle it, and to know that it has that much power. Abby and I probably won't be doing a whole lot more on 6S. Unless we want to see maybe if this can fly to the moon and back. Huh? This is amazing. Abby, you did a great job picking it out. I'm really looking forward to watching you bash this, because you are the bashing queen.
I am.
And let's say, Redcat, they do a good job at having some fun. So we'll have this linked in the description box below. Guys, I want to thank God for just letting us get out here and have some fun today, even though we scratched up the top of our new Redcat.
It looks good though. I actually like the scratches.
Too. Look at it. That is mean looking. Look at that. Yeah. They should have designed that into the truck.
We even got a couple scratches.
That's sweet. Abby, we might need to take some asphalt and just
yeah, I know, right?
Down the side, the TheRcSaylors sticker on front.
Make it look bad.
That's a good looking truck.
Yeah.
They did an amazing job on the design. I'm a huge fan, man. That's sweet. Okay. All the good stuff linked below. This has been a blast. If you missed our Wendigo bashing video, that was a lot of fun. We'll have that video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.